Welcome to the Really Black Cooking Show. I'm your host, Chef C, and today I'm going to show you how to make the very best chicken wings, just in time for Super Bowl 60. Let's get it. All right, I got my chicken wing here. So there's two ways you can do this. If you want to make it quick, you can just go ahead and bend this wing back here like that, and just do it like this here. Make it like that. Or if you got time, you can cut them up into individual pieces. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna cut them up. So I got my knife right here. Just go ahead, cut it right down the middle, just like that. Right down the middle. Boom. Yeah. Set it off to the side. Come here. Take this end piece off. Cut that off too. There you go. The most popular. The flat. Set that off to the side. Now do you prefer flats or you a drum person? Me, I don't really care. I just like chicken. All right, now after you got your wings washed and you got them all cut up into individual pieces, it's time for the seasoning process. I got right here a bag of my grandfather's special seasoning. Now, I can't tell you what's in this because it's his own special recipe. But we're gonna go ahead and get these wings in here. All right, once they're in the bag, just shake it up. Make sure everything gets nice and coated. Now I got them in the flour. Make sure it gets nice and coated. All right, now we got the grease hot. Go ahead and drop them in. There we go. Just like that, one at a time. You don't want to overcrowd it, because then it's not gonna cook properly. One at a time, just drop them in. Now we let them go ahead and cook. Check periodically. Make sure everything in the grease, make sure it's covered. So by the time I upload this video, it'll be Super Bowl Sunday. Who y'all got? Patriots or Seahawks? Let me know in the comments. All right, after some minutes, we're gonna go ahead and take them out. We want to set them aside, let them rest for about 10-15 minutes. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The best chicken wings you'll ever taste. Now all I need is a side of ranch or some barbecue sauce, and I'm good to go. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you for stopping by, checking out episode 3 of Really Black Cooking Show. I am your host, Chef C, and I'll catch you guys in episode 4. Peace.